So we're here because many high-end technologies require the use of electron beams for their end use. These items include radar components, oncology equipment, satellite communications, and linear accelerators. Depending upon the beam focusing requirements, the solenoids can range in size from fitting in the palm of your hand all the way to being taller than a person. And we have a picture of one of our large solenoids later on. This Tech Talk provides a brief review of current manufacturing capabilities and design considerations in order to optimize performance and manufacturability of your electron beam focusing systems. So where are we going to use these in terms of industries and applications? We're going to focus today a little bit more on the aerospace and defense and a little bit of space technologies. So really, these go on many planes in terms of radar technologies. They go on ground in terms of oncology technologies. But again, a little bit more focused today on aerospace and defense.